11:30 in the night, Sunday evening, and I'm not trading these days, but I'm just preparing my gold, what do you call it? XAUUSD. I'm just drawing the trend lines. I don't use any what do you call RSI and all the other indicators. I just use trend lines, and I go through the news to see what's happening. So basically, this is a day chart, and you can see like gold is on a upward trend. It was going through a narrower trend, but then it had a greater fall, and then it's going upward. So I just drew a channel marking the highest points and the lowest points. So this would be your support and this is your resistance. Then I went mainly into 4-hour chart, and in 4-hour chart these this is a bigger line that's going. Like on 4-hour it's not really helping, so I should probably move the line like that. Probably further move, not that line, but I need to further move these lines. Okay, now it goes through a channel. Let me see what happens on the day chart when I do that. Okay, it looks further apart, but on the 4-hourly it looks fine. And 4-hourly we are looking at the current movement, which is rallying upwards. So I draw another trend line which looks like it's forming a cone. So at the end of the cone it can either go up or down. And I'm looking at the movements. So at 4-hourly chart I'm marking the support and resistance line. So I'm using this tool to draw the trend. I use this tool to draw the support and resistance line. I'm using this tool. So I clicked on the top one, I clicked on the bottom one, and I see there is like a resistance zone here. So I'll use the tool again, and from this line I'll draw a straight line, and I would bring it, click on that, I bring it a little low. I'm not someone who waits to go reach all the way up. I want to trade somewhere in between, so I'm not worried about every every touch point. So I set that one. Then I'll set another line over here. Let's say here. So where the 3 peaks are forming, so it's like almost here 1, 2, 3 and 4 touch points. I'll set one over here. So basically setting the line where it touches multiple points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, and I keep going downwards like that where I see multiple touch points. Okay, so I have drawn myself multiple touch points. So basically it's going through this channel, so I would expect it would come down here and then it would go back up here, and if it breaks the resistance, it can go back up. So the next week I am actually thinking the price would come down to 2680 and then it would rally up. That's my prediction, but nobody knows what's gonna happen. So my strategy is pretty easy, guys. I go on a very long chart, like a day chart or a week chart, and see the way the product is going. So basically it's an upward trend, and I'm more interested in fourth hourly and less than that. So fourth hourly, for the latest, I draw another trend line which is going upward again, and at fourth hourly, I would start marking from the top point to the bottom all the support and resistance line, and in the latest thing I would predict it to come down to 2688 and go back up again. And we have inflation, US inflation rate news coming up next week, I guess. So that would have an impact on our gold. Like gold is kind of inversely related to US dollars. So I would keep a watch on the news as well. And yeah, guys, let's make some profit, not make foolish mistakes. I hope we are ready for the trade next week. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.